In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can empty your trash of your Samsung Galaxy gallery. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open up my gallery. And then if you want to go ahead and empty your trash, you can see 3 horizontal lines at the bottom right-hand corner over there. If you tap on those 3 lines, and then you tap on where it says recycle bin right over here, that is going to open up your recycle bin. And if you scroll up slightly, it says recycle bin. It tells you how many images and videos you have in your recycle bin. If you want to delete everything all at the same time, just go ahead and tap on empty right over there. So I'm going to tap on that. It's going to give you a warning, 84 items will be permanently deleted. Tap on empty recycle bin, and just like that, you have emptied your recycle bin. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video down below and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.